Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global printer market was estimated at $75.1 billion in 2024 and is estimated to grow at CAGR of 5.1% by 2034. The market will cross $123.1 billion valuation by 2034, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Increased demand for home and office printing and growth in the commercial and industrial printing sector are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on type, the inkjet printers segment dominates the market, generating revenue of $22 billion in 2024. According to the end user, commercial made up 53% of the market in 2024. Regionally, North American printer market share and estimated $16.2 billion in revenue in 2024. Key players in the printer market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.